When working in PowerPoint, especially with version 365, you may sometimes want to align all the elements on your slides neatly. For instance, you might want the status lines, text boxes, and shapes to be organized in a more visually appealing and professional way. PowerPoint offers tools that can help you achieve this level of precision through grids and guides. These features allow for better alignment and layout structure on each slide. To begin, choose the slide you want to adjust. Then, go to the View tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. In this section, you will find options for enabling grid lines and guides. When you check the box next to grid lines, a grid will appear on your slide. This grid helps you position elements evenly and maintain symmetry. By also checking the guides option, vertical and horizontal guidelines will become visible. These guidelines are adjustable. You can click and drag them to customize their position according to your needs. This is useful when you want to divide the slide into specific sections for consistent layout across multiple slides. By using these adjustable guides, you can ensure that all your elements are aligned precisely, which gives your presentation a cleaner, more professional appearance. Additionally, with the grid lines active, you can even define the exact position of objects. This precise placement helps create a well-balanced slide design that looks organized and intentional. Try practicing this feature by applying it to a sample slide. Activate both the grid and the guides and rearrange your elements according to these visual aids. With some adjustment, you'll notice how much easier it is to keep everything aligned properly. This is a valuable step toward building slides that are not only functional, but also polished and professional.